what should I do?
You got a jetpack. Use it.
Copy that.
Thanks, twins. First beam's down, Gabs. Can you tell the twins to pull down the yacht?
On it. Goop, Liz, your turn. Hold on. There's a factory vent that'll cook you medium rare. All clear, Cal. Long way to drop. Be careful.
Let's go reintroduce ourselves to the senator.
We'll see if the senator's got any food on that yacht.
Otisa! Agua! Ustai!
1 second.
I knew he had unfinished business. Give us your terminal passcode.
Impossible! They'll execute me!
Maybe I could change his mind. You will give me access to your terminal.
I can't.
You can trust us. We're all friends here. Unlock it.
We're all friends here. I can trust you. I will unlock the terminal.
If he moves, blast him.
Oh, my pleasure.
All right, BD. Let's see what we got. They're everywhere.
Not the breakthrough we were hoping for.
Years of fighting. Nothing we've done has slowed them down.
What did you expect? You lost. The Republic is dead.
It was killed by politicians just like you.
Do you think I wanted Utapau to join the Empire? The compromises I made created a future for my people.
I've been to Utapau, Senator. They spit your name out like a curse.
At least they are alive. Why fight when you can't win? Surrender tastes bitter at first, Cal, but sweetens with time. Free me, and we'll cut a deal.
No, Senator. Someday when your children see this, they'll know the Jedi never stopped fighting for them.
How disappointingly naive.
Hey, the twins are getting that ravenous look. Let's wrap it up before we have another Karita incident on our hands, yeah?
What about him?
He's coming with us.
Okay, let's take their food to go.
Right? Cooperation.
I've changed my mind. We should always target the Empire.
Yeah, feels good to make a difference.
No, they're loaded. Filthy rich. Make the huts look clean by comparison. I bet this senator has more credits stacked to his...
What took you so long? While you've been chasing shadows, I have been...
You have been caught harboring a traitor. Castus! Open fire! Scatter! Get to cover!
Barbaric Inquisitor! Look out!
Yes, this way.
Cal, we gotta go! Cal, come back! Cal, where you going? Get back here, Cal!
Kidding me? Gotta get to the Mantis. Gabs. The twins. We'll mourn later. Gotta keep moving. They're hunting us, buddy. Gotta stay one step ahead. A stem canister. That'll prove useful. That way's blocked. Come on. We'll come back later. What do you want? Over here.
You are weak!
Not today. Gotta be careful, BD.
Spot a Jedi?
Yes!